Hey everyone, welcome back to another video. Today we will be discussing Influencersoft and is it the best all-in-one marketing tool available? Let's get started. So first things first, Influencersoft is an amazing all-in-one marketing automation and CRM platform that aims to simplify the way businesses manage their online marketing efforts. It has a lot of key features. For example, it has marketing automation, CRM, built-in CR system, as in it has a very good customer relationship management system. It also comes with a intuitive funnel builder that helps you create and manage sales, and whether you're selling products, generating leads, or running email marketing campaigns, the funnel builder allows you to create automated workflows that guide users through the sales journey. It comes with a lot of benefits. It has a very easy to use interface, customizable sales funnels, and the best part is you can integrate this with influencers. It also has very affordable pricing plans. There are a few setbacks, however. It has very limited integrations and it has a very basic email builder, which may not be as advanced as some people hope. But all in all, it is a very decent all-in-one marketing tool, but it may be limiting for large businesses as it cannot cater to their every need. I hope this video was helpful. Thanks for watching.